The teacher who helped you in discovering a new sport, a new hobby, or even new talent. So, in the last, I will take my seat by these golden words that उस्ताद बादशाह तो नहीं होता मगर बादशाह बना देता है.
टीचर एज अ रोल मॉडल के उन्वान से तकरीर पेश करने के लिए दावा देता हूँ अब्दुल रज़ाक को कि वो स्टेज पर तशरीफ़ लाएं.
Starting with the remaining and endless name of Allah the Almighty, who is the creator, who is the designer, and who is the maker of this whole cosmos. Here is me in front of you, me, Amable Abdul Razak, and today I am going to talk on the topic that's teacher as a role model. Dear audience, really I am feeling proud to talk on this topic because a society cannot grow up, a society can't develop without a character that's teacher. Dear audience, first I want to clear the term role model. The role model is a person who inspires and encourages us to strive for greatness, live to our fullest potential, and sees the best in ourselves. A role model can be someone we admire and someone we aspire to be like. Dear audience, we learn through them, through their commitment to excellence and through their ability to make us realize our own personal growth. Dear audience, a role model can be a parent, a friend, a sibling, but some of all the most influential role models are our teachers. Dear listeners, my dear fellows, when you think what type of a teacher you had like to be, then who comes to your mind? The math teacher who helped you in conquering fractions, the English teacher who wrote great comments on your stories, the teacher who helped you in discovering a new sport, a new hobby, or even new talent, or even maybe nudge you down your current career path. Dear audience, teacher is a gift from Allah the Almighty. As Allah is the maker of the whole cosmos, as same like that, a teacher is the builder of a good nation. A teacher is the person who takes responsibility to raise the mind status and living standard of the common people in society through his magical tricks of teaching. Dear audience, parents have a lot of expectations from the teachers of their kids. The responsibility of a teacher varies from classroom to playground, from student to student. A teacher plays a vital role in everybody's life because it's supposed to be performing different characters in life. Dear audience, on this teacher day, I want to mention that how much my teachers mean to me. A teacher is not an engineer, but Norwich is an engineer. A teacher is not a doctor, but Norwich is a doctor. A teacher is not an architecture, but Norwich is architecture. A teacher is not an army officer, but Norwich is army officer. And a teacher does not fly in the sky, but makes a man able to fly in the sky. That's teacher. And the last I would only say that we may all not remembered in your good books, but you'll always be the part of our heart. You'll be always remembered. So, in the last, I will take my seat by these golden words that उस्ताद बादशाह तो नहीं होता मगर बादशाह बना देता है. Thank you very much.